in the palms. See mortuary. Funeral procession. The palms. Bulozu na bwebu. The brigade. Na go band. Brigade na go band. The palms bulozu. The family members easier uniform. The woman no lose ni memoto. Ozumwea no na ambulance. Family members, friends, crowd is a uniform. I don't know how to say, mana on this Roma, and is eating up the Igbo culture. Adeza akwamuzu ana anemizi ashibi na akwamuzu. Emisi ashibi na wedding. Emikwa ashibi na akwamuzu. Upia na ato ụlọ na onye anwụ. Emikwa ashibi na dedication. He dedicate ụlọ. Na mmadụ lụchara ụlọ ka o dedicate ya ashibi. Wedding ashibi. N'onye ngo moto ko obuta moto Thanksgiving na church ashibi. Onye nsi obodo oyibo nata ka eje bunatia from airport ashibi. Na echiri dike echichi nye ya DNA na church ashibi. Ordinary birthday. And they celebrate every year ashibi. Akwamozu ashibi. If onye babili wenwa untimely death, painful death, maybe the breadwinner of the family, only the 29 years, 28 years that have not achieved anything. Babili mwa ashebi anazo akwa nyama akwa boss nyama akwa anazo oneme ka odi yiri ashebi umu nwa ya achira na telo kwa mu nke ezugbu ya kenye mfiti akwamozu eluzieba anazozu nni na akwamozu. If I have my way, in fact in 2019 I'm contesting to be the president of Nigeria. If you vote me, akwamozu abi akwamozu, no food, no ashibi, ikwasi ozu ena. Pain, family no na pain. If why di anwo, why no na pay, why di anwo, anasi akedi ni ayeri. Why na eba kwa na yidi, anazo ndi ni wi anaka ano. Onya anazo mmanya. If ni biala akwamozu 2 bottles of 2 ball no angada. Mmanya. So you are rejoicing that the person died. Una like refund nebu. Tiebe ni onu ashebi na akwamozu kwụsị ya. Too much. And age 5 million akwozu, 10 million akwamozu, 8 million because ashebi aye go down. And the second akwamozu yeje enwe 4 types of ashebis. Eme ashebi uniform, emezia ashebi hairstyle. You will see 7 persons with the same hairstyle. Ashebis. Is bad. Bible says, rejoice with those who are rejoicing. Mourn with those who are mourning. You see people who come to bury and one day you will die too. One day dig ya nwukwa. Tie go no na that shoe. Obuno digemu. Obuno nwagemu. Ya na azo akwa. And several of you why if enable that enmity between gin and mmadụ ma unye digi bụ maka akwa ochi yoro gi akwa akwamozu. Nyewa na eselu gi na onye lota. Ewe kwa ozu, ewe kesia ndị ọzọ akwa ya eji wee kwa ozu enyere m ifro na from n'anya. Afọ gị n'anya ewe yara inye gị akwa akwamozu enye gị ya ife ala ngwa gị bụ you are the next to die. You are the next to die. Yiri ya. And their wedding literally me ashebi, to God be the glory. And that is why ya woman work You know why? He make tradition. That may word on single kochuku nike expenses. Andrea. It's because of our girls. The girl I go balloy. No bora o you wear pota. Where can end the mother? Go give you wear pota. We get money. Don't guess, hear me. The most important thing is the love. Not all this unwaveable marriage. Unwaveable wedding. And unwaveable ceremony. I want my own to be the best. Before the man you are supervising if I see. You know, I say, "Nandi mother, na Fabio, you wear Banyazia, Yipunka is your son." That is true. We can make expenses in this. Hypotasia, Kenesia, Ibazia inside. We see another one. And each one of them shoe nesia, abanesia. Abo pagin kitty, we found yes, so queer. It's tough. Ibunyazia de Mania, Inazibedi, another one. In can also invoke now. A easier wedding gown, be a wedding. A Jerusalem reception, a UPI easier another one. That is not marriage. Go and check all those celebrated weddings. High peak wedding, it's here on Facebook. A celebrator. Go and check those marriages and go get it. A crash go. That is not marriage. The man and I say, take it easy. Can make go back? Say, I talk on that nonsense. On Kemi and DJ, Jamaica friends, mom, I choro one me. Obuni me I can't see where chop. Ayasaya. In fact, man knows it. What can man Arabu get no news? If you are saying that in a children, and Ubemudi, Bebe can members the yours. Bebe can know it. Ayasaya. Obuni Membelinia. Ayasaya. Ijilakagi. Yes, your wedding. Because of our shepis. After your own personal expenses, it was here digging. Me gave 4 ashibis. O follow now about 7. Nda ye efen kaiche. Nde ye efen kaiche. Nde ye kwa efen kaiche. Nde ye. Nde gene so ye. Iwe kenende madu. Ye different uniform. Nde ye suza ye bi ye another uniform. Nde ge so ge nazia be dig another uniform. Onwa wa mo no ge na ko metu ga sia imakwo ife. I'm teaching you wisdom. I'm teaching you wisdom. Makwife. Kidifie na aso ife ndi anine kan kegibulu best. Go hit ye hit. Ano ya na eme work na agba egu by force. If you work na mara agba egu na if all na agba kwele go data go dey egu expenses so. DJ kusosia DJ on DJ man kwakwo on 5,000 10,000 okay ego canopy up go 20,000 ego cake up go 50,000 ego ashibi up go unya biari kusibegu osa biabo babegu ukunana babegu kanda biegu nwanya na agba on account also 80,000 osia DJ you can stop making the man to dance when he don't supposed to dance. And some, you see the girls dancing. If you don't want to go, Obrokwa no be angry. No go bata ego. Omulu be angry. Ona abasi ike na aboya ike na aboya. Onye nyibia 2020 na orapia. Onye jide tututu ojekulia basibe wike. Because he will aka get tinye. Maybe question. Hello. Okwesi eji akwamoze nisi ozu ewe mmiri enye gi ina kan yari kwa afọ obodo went to a village on within ja akwamozu ndị ụmụada before the because I went there was the person to preach na the burial and I told Ukochukwu you are tolerating this nonsense wolu koboko send them off and I did that. They were like bia or parish na ụmụada ya bịagoro that morning nọla ana enyugwu fati Umada dia enye fati nye bread a ya agbado gị one day. Oh ya agbado yi. Anunu socha umada Ifra Kulus Montana Church. Why not stop that nonsense? The enye iti famucha tea with bread. Obo na famuro tea that bread no akwamosu. Enye se fati famucha tea that bread. We look for extra tesia na aba. We see butalugo lu fan ni fakafa supervise here. Hey! I wanna jump with my cassock. I went wolotari. Out of that place. That is wickedness. Before we lay curses on you, that is high level of wickedness. I gave Buta woman than for supervise here. 7 cooler for supervise here, because supervise cham, one way na supervise cham manya dichi idea small stuff. If wine army and I'm good you. Working away and wine army. Small style, small, they will supervise is here. My rice, jollof rice, white rice, masemo, supervise here for we put your jeben and your canopy. We put Taziani register. When was the woman? See, I need a so line, here 100,000, 200,000. I drag about that one. Fasten open every amount goes. Onye diamu. Onye nayamu. I said the idea chukwa anywa bumada. Beria. I don't know why I'm standing there, but I'm talking to some persons here. Maybe you are watching me via the internet, YouTube and Facebook. If you are part of those people doing that, perpetuating this wicked culture because of the little opportunity, because of little power they give you. You see a widow crying and yet you maltreat her. Touch your neighbor, see her. Malife. Bitwa kasi malife. Onu jebe meeting in the woman dance. Gwanu fana ukochuku sondi ilo si odoroma. There are many ways to collect clearance from that person. Not other people. So uzu ya hapo people are never kwa. Umadana muti na bread. You are heartless. You are wicked. Not even outside. Now the compound.